E-signature tools versus contract management software. Which one is better for legal workflows? Most people get this wrong by assuming e-signatures alone solve contract headaches. The surprising truth is that e-signature tools and contract management software address very different parts of legal workflows, and choosing the right one can streamline operations dramatically. E-signature tools focus on the final step, signing documents quickly and securely. For example, a company can send as service agreements or employment contracts to multiple parties and have them signed electronically in minutes, without printing or scanning. This reduces delays and ensures compliance with digital signature laws. Contract management software, however, covers the entire life cycle of contracts. It helps draft, store, track, and analyze agreements, often with automated alerts for renewals or obligations. Legal teams can use it to monitor compliance, version history, and approval workflows. For instance, a procurement department can manage dozens of supplier contracts in one system, ensuring nothing is missed and reducing risk. The key difference is execution versus lifecycle management. E-signature tools speed up signing, while contract management software ensures the entire process is organized, compliant, and efficient. Many businesses integrate both, using contract management software to handle workflows and e-signatures to complete agreements instantly. The takeaway is clear: if your main goal is to get documents signed quickly, e-signature tools are enough. If you need oversight, compliance tracking, and lifecycle management, contract management software is essential. The surprising truth is that combining the two transforms legal workflows, cutting administrative time and giving teams full control over every contract from creation to completion.